15 integers a sub 1, a sub 2, a sub 3, all the way to a sub 15 are arranged in order on a number line. The integers are equally spaced and have the property that a sub 1 is greater than or equal to 1, less than or equal to 10. A sub 2 is greater than or equal to 13, less than or equal to 20. And a sub 15 is greater than or equal to 241, less than or equal to 250. What is the sum of the digits of A14? We can start by writing out these digits. So saying this is a sub 1, a sub 2, all the way to a sub 15. So let's say the difference between, since these are evenly spaced, we'll call the difference between these two integers x. So it's got to be true that the difference between a sub 2 and a sub 15 is, or rather, another way of writing, yeah, I guess we could, the difference here is 13 times x. And it's going to be true that the a sub 2 plus 13x gets you a sub 15. So based on that, we can do 13 times different integer values to see what if we'll reach either this minimum or maximum value. So I'll start doing this and it'll make a bit more sense as I go. But basically, we can go through 13 times 14 is 182. Basically, we're going to determine could 14 or 15 or 16 be possible values of x is what I'm trying to figure out here. So 13 times 16 . Okay. So this looks like it's going to be on the lower end. So determining if 14 could be the spacing here, let's add the largest possible value that a2 could be. So up here we see the largest possible value a sub 2 could be is 20. So 20 plus 182 is 202, which is not in the range of a sub 15. So the spacing couldn't be 14. Same here, we'll try 20 plus 195, and that is 215, which is not in the range of a sub 15. Now we'll try 20 plus 208 here, which is 228, again, not in the range. 20 plus 221 is 241, so that would work. And here, I see if we do 20 plus 234, that's going to be above the range. So we'll just consider the lowest possible value of a sub 2. So say like 10 plus 234, that's 244. Not saying that this is the spacing, but yeah, that works. And again, here we'll want to pick one of the lowest value of a sub 2, but then we see there's no possible way for this to be in the range for a sub 15, so that's not going to work. So we've narrowed it down. The spacing is either a difference of 17 or 18. So if we think about the difference of 17 between values, so in this case, we could have a sub 1 equal to 1 and a sub 2 equal to 18. We could have a sub 1 equal to 2 and then 19. And we could have a sub 1 equal to 3 and a sub 2 equal to 20. And I'll write a little, this could be potential values of these. we'll start out with the possibility, could this be possible? So 18 plus, we found out 13 times 17 is 221. This is going to be 239, which is not in the range of a sub 15, so that wouldn't work. 19 plus 221 is 240, not in the range. But 20, as we found up there, plus 221 is 241. So I'm inclined to say that it's a difference of 17. And then from there, we can get the value of a sub 14. But just for the heck of it, we'll test out the difference of 18 just to be sure. So values of a sub 1, values of a sub 2. So a sub 1 could be 1, and a sub 2 could be 19, difference of 18. And it could be 2 and 20. So here, we would have 19 plus 3 times 18, which is 234. And this is equal to 253, which is not in the range of a sub 15. And same here, this is not in the range of a sub 15. So it's got to be this. It's got to be true that we have a difference of 17 and a sub 1 is equal to 3 and a sub 2 is equal to 20. So then we can find the value of a sub 14. So we have 3, 20, a sub 14, and 241 is a sub 15. So a sub 14 is just going to be 241 minus 17. So that's equal to 241 minus 17, which is 224. And this problem was asking us, what's the sum of the digits of a sub 14? Well, we found that a sub 14 is equal to 224. So the sum of the digits is just 2 plus 2 plus 4, which is 8. So the answer is choice A.